Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I wanna say thank you to Allah for giving us everything. So this time we can be here and do our activities. I thanks Allah by saying Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Dear Miss Dian Mega, as the lecture curriculum material development course, as well as my fellow classmate who I'm proud of. I also want to thank teacher and all of you for this great opportunity. My dear friends, may I have your attention? The presentation is the backward design of the curriculum. Let me introduce myself. I am Stevenika Gabriela Aurellia. As you may know, I am here in my role as moderator. My second speaker is Filza Putri Dhanissa. Our topic is the backward design of the curriculum to start.
The backward design of the curriculum. Definition: as the name implies, backward design is a curriculum approach as opposed to the forward, where the development design of the last part of the three sections previously discussed: input, methodology, output. If the forward design curriculum development starts from determining the input first, then in the backward design curriculum development starts from the learning output, aspect learning outcomes, and uses it as a basis for developing the learning process, using it as a basis for developing the learning process and input, teaching materials, also called backward planning or backward mapping, is a process that educators use to design learning experience and instructional techniques to achieve specific learning goals. Backward design starts with a careful statements of the desired result or outcomes. Appropriate teaching activities and content are derived from the results of learning.
Okay, the next page is its process backward design. Also called backward planning or backward mapping, is a process that educator use the design, learning experience and instructional technique to achieve specific learning goals. Backward design begins with the objective of a unit or course that students are expected to learn and be able to do, and then process backward to create lesson then achieve those desired goals in most public schools. The educational goals of a course or unit will be a given state learning standard. Consists written description of what students are expected to know and be able to do at a specific stage of their education. Its process: what should students know, understand, or be able to do? What is worthy of understanding? What enduring understanding are designed? Consider post-exam content standard. Review curriculum, expectation, teacher, student interest. How will we know if students have achieved the lost result and meet the standard? What will we accept as evidence of student understanding and proficiency? Consider a range of assessment method: informal and familiar assessment, measurement during a unit. Think like assessor before designing specific unit and lesson to determine how when the student have attained the desired understanding what enabling knowledge takes concept and principle and skill proceeding will student need to excel effectively and achieve desired result. What activities will to equip student with the needed knowledge and skill? What will need to be done and caused, and how should it best be taught in light of? What material and resources are the best suited to accomplish these goals? Is the overall design coherent and effective performance goal? The next page is example of background design approach is language teaching. Example of using backward design language teaching. Backward design in the formulation of learning objective. According to Taylor in Richard 2013, a goal-based approach reflects the main assumption of backward design. Quoted from Richard 2013, learning objectives are used as criteria for selecting material content, framework, teaching process, testing, and assessment. The purpose of formulating learning objective is to determine the changes that occur in students who are used to design learning activities, so that the expected goals are achieved. Ladies and gentlemen, finally, we come to the end of our presentation. Once again, we would like to thank the audience for active participation. As the moderator, I apologize if there are errors in delivery of our discussion. Hopefully, this presentation is useful for all of you. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.